Welcome to the Seller Roundtable e-commerce coaching and business strategies with Andy Arnott and Amy Wees.
All right, step 3, copy the competition. This is something a lot of people don't do. And one of the kind of innovators, or one of the people who's always, that's very successful, that always says, copy what's working, is Russell Brunson from ClickFunnels. His whole thing is like, why reinvent the wheel? If something's working, just go ahead and copy that and iterate. So some of the things you want to look at from your top competitors would be like, what is their pricing? In other words, if you've got comparable products and your product is $19.99 and theirs is $14.99, you're going to have a really, really hard time getting traction in that niche. You also want to look at things like coupons. The on-page coupons. So things like, $2 off, you get the little orange flag. That's great for visibility. We actually have our entire account almost 24/7 has some kind of coupon enabled because of the increased visibility. It's worth it for sales and stuff. What people don't realize, you can do a super small discount, like even 5% off, and you still get that little flag. So visibility wise, it's completely worth it. Look at how many reviews they have. So, once again, if they have like 200 reviews and you've got 3, you could run into trouble. With the way that reviews work now, I actually do think that 3 is kind of the magic number if you're just starting out with a new product. You really want to try to get those first 3 reviews. How do you do that nowadays? That's a whole nother discussion, but early reviewer program's a great one. For us, the way that we do it, we kind of hit it from multiple ends. We get, we do coupons, we do aggressive PPC, we do offsite traffic, especially in the first few weeks. That way, we get a lot of volume, and, from that lot of volume, then you get Amazon sending those follow-up emails to get those, first few crucial reviews. So definitely something that you want to try to do, especially if you got a new product. What are their main keywords? So, using reverse ASIN tools, whatever tools that you use should be able to do this. In Seller SEO, we have Pandora is the tool we have. The reason you want to use a tool like that is because I'm not sure how some of the other tools are getting their data, but for us, our data is coming direct from Amazon. It's telling you what these products are have been converting for, what keywords they've been converting for. So it's really powerful data. It's great to use that data to build PPC campaigns, and then also to include in your listings. The other good thing to do is, when you're looking at your competitors, is look at their negative feedback. So not necessarily, go ahead and look at their positive feedback as well, but the negative feedback is really what you want to look at. The reason for that is, if you're selling, a water bottle, and it's very similar to this other competitor who's selling a water bottle, and people are complaining that, the lid is leaky, or, it's too fat to fit in the cup holder in their car, or something like that. You would want to take that data and then bring it over to your product and decide, if people are complaining about their water bottle not fitting into their cup holder, well, I'm going to make sure that my water bottle fits into their cup holders. It's little things like that people are really going to be excited for your product. Is that you've kind of thought of all the little things. And the way you can do that is literally going and looking at all your competition's negative feedback, seeing what people don't like about the product, and then making sure that your product, fills that requirement. Once again, look at listing photos and structure. So, if they've got a certain way they're doing things or something like that, definitely something that you want to, definitely be aware of. If you can, look at if they're using enhanced brand content. Just really take the time to look at your competitors' listings and figure out, try to reverse engineer and see, the things that they're doing that's making them successful. Definitely something you want to do.
Thanks for tuning in. Join us every Tuesday at 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for live Q&A and bonus content after the recording at sellerroundtable.com. Sponsored by the ultimate software tool for Amazon sales and growth, sellerseo.com and amazingathome.com.